What's up, guys? My name is Eric. As you can tell, I'm looking a little bit different today. The barber messed up my haircut. Good morning, guys. My name is Ben. I'm here with Beatsonic USA today, and today we're going to be installing our Encore X DSP amplifier on this brand new 2025 Toyota Tacoma. It is compatible with 2024 and up, so maybe 2026 upcoming year as well. And we're installing our new Encore X DSP amplifier. Pretty much changes around your audio settings and specifically tuned for the non-JBL Toyota Tacoma with factory speakers. To first go ahead and get started with the installation, we're gonna go ahead and need to remove this plastic piece right here. You can go and grab any plastic panel removal tool. Go ahead and help you assist. Pretty much need to pry this up. Let me get some masking tape. So we'll go ahead and mask off this corner right here. I like to use an angle one, but feel free to use whichever plastic panel removal tool you have. And then after one piece is up, use your hand to run along. That'll give you access to the bolts you'll need to remove. And as you can see, there's going to be 4 10mm bolts, 1 on 2, 3, and 4. 2 on each side. Go ahead and grab a 10mm socket and ratchet. Go ahead and start removing. And then after that, you'll pretty much just pull the head unit towards you. Might be a little bit hard, but before we do that, let's go ahead and grab a thick towel, put it on the prindle, and just go ahead and lay it on top. Perfect. Alrighty, and this is the box of our Encore X DSP amplifier. It is the SKU ENX T330, and this one is specifically for the 2024 and up Toyota Tacomas without JBL and with 4 or 6 speakers. Let's get it open. Here's what you get inside: the manual and our unique and beautiful packaging. Let's go ahead and open up the wiring harness here. This is the DSP amplifier, and this is the additional cable that you'll need in case you would want to go ahead and retune the DSP amplifier. You'll just plug it in on one of these back connections and a USB port with the USB connection with your computer. Let's get the wiring harness opened up. And in case you guys like to add in a powered subwoofer in the future, it also does come with a blue remote wire. The 2 connections we will be focusing on is this gray one right here and this black one right here. In order to get better access, let's go ahead and take off these 2 connectors here. You can use a plastic panel removal tool to help you assist and push down on the release tabs. Never pull by the wire as you may damage it. And these are the 2 connections we will be making here. And from our wiring harness, here is our easy plug and play connections. These are the speaker levels. Alrighty, first we'll remove this black connector here. Push down on this top release tab and just go ahead and pull on the connector. Never pull by the wire. Or you can do it this way too. Just use the plastic panel removal tool to go ahead and push out the connector while you're holding down the release tab. Just like so. And we'll do the same with this gray connector here. Push down on the release tab and use the plastic panel removal tool to go ahead and help you assist to push that out. Just like that. And here, black to black, just simply connecting it to each other, plug and play experience. Make sure you hear that click. And same with this white T3 connector here. Make sure you hear that click. Perfect. And now we'll plug it in back in here. Make sure you hear that click. Perfect. And same thing with the black connector here. Make sure you hear that click. Just like how you guys will click on that subscribe button. All that's left is just simply the ENX connector here. So we have found the perfect mounting location for our Encore X DSP amplifier. Believe it or not, it actually fits back there behind the radio. So what we're gonna go ahead and do here, we're gonna go ahead and head inside, and on the left side, we will be removing this white connector here. This is for the JBL equipped vehicles that mounts the center speaker. But to go ahead and undo this, just grab your plastic panel removal tool. There's one clip on the top here and one clip on the bottom here. Alrighty, just go ahead and push it out like so, and it should pop out just like that. That way you can just have this aside. And to test fit it, here is our Encore X, and it's pretty much the same size as the radio. It's massive, but believe it or not, it fits, and this is where the wiring harness will go, so we would like that having facing towards the radio. I just want to go ahead and maneuver this like so, carry it carefully, and that way you can sit right there behind like that. But we'll probably push it more towards the inside, just like that, and have all the wires routed toward that way over there as well. Alrighty guys, to go ahead and get more lighting in there as it is kind of dark, and to go ahead and feel out so much more space that's available back there, just grab your plastic panel removal tool. You can also fit your hand under here, and you can definitely feel this plastic piece here. You can feel it with your left hand, feeling the two clips both on the left here and on the right, and you can just use both your fingers to help push it up and the plastic panel removal tool to help push it up as well. So do that in tandem, just like that. Perfect. And then you can just use your hands to maneuver around and grab both the plastic panel clips remaining. Like so, which allows much more room back there. And once again, as you can definitely tell, the ENX definitely does. You can even drop it in here and it'll fit right there. What we're gonna go ahead and do is wrap up the ENX in some foam tape and just go ahead and push it over this way. And you should be able to feel a lot of space back there, and just have it with foam tape in there, mounted and installed, along with the wiring harness routed back here as well. The Encore X kit does not come with foam tape. It comes with Velcro and 3M mounting tape, but you can buy some foam tape at your local automotive store such as AutoZone or O'Reilly's or even Amazon. Alrighty, let's go ahead and grab our white connector here and our amplifier. We'll put it inside and make the connection, which is on the left side of the amplifier. Make sure you hear that click. All right. And be careful when you're routing this as to not pinch these wires on these metal brackets here. So make sure you're routing it very carefully. All right, and just go ahead and keep routing it in. And once you're in there, you'll feel like a tight corner, and that's exactly where you would want it. All right, that should be fine. Alrighty, and then just go ahead and route the remaining wire towards there. That way it's all nice, tucked away in. And not in the way when you put the radio back. And that will conclude the installation. Let's go ahead and reverse order everything we did. And one important piece, just make sure you put this clip back in right over here. Let's go ahead and push it in. Make sure you hear the click. And let's go ahead and put everything back. Make sure the wiring harness is neatly tucked and not pinched or crimped. Make sure all the plastic clips are lined up, and just go ahead and give it a firm push. Just like how you guys are gonna push that subscribe button. And we'll go ahead and put back the 10mm screws. And just make sure it is hand tight, and you guys don't want to over torque it, otherwise you will damage the bolts. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put on back this plastic panel piece. Make sure these two rear ones go in first, and then you can line up the clips and just push down, just like so. And the plastic panel piece behind, make sure all the plastic clips line up and do the exact same thing. Make sure they line up, and then just go ahead and push down like so. And that's it. And today that'll conclude our installation of the Encore X DSP amplifier for the brand new 2024 and up Toyota Tacomas. If you guys own the new Tacoma or our DSP amplifier, let us know in the comment section what you guys think of it. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.